I will make flavored minced chicken flakes rice. It's easy but easy. Ginger 5 gram. This is appropriate. Great. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 4 tablespoons. Sake, 2 tablespoons. Sweet sake, 2 tablespoons. Mix and mix. Chicken meat 350 gram. Marinate. I will put in a refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Green onion, appropriate amount. At first without fire. Water 1/2 cup. Medium heat. Mix round. Boil until the whole becomes white. Cover and simmer for 12 minutes on low heat. Good smell. In hot rice. Plenty. Sprinkle green onion. Red ginger. It is absolutely good to make anyone. Disassemble around the world.
See you.